Hi, it's Tyler, and I'm going to teach you how to make a sound, like a different sound for when you log in. So, first what you need to do is, it has to be a WAV file. So, you have to look for a WAV file. You can change it to, like, scare your friends or something cool. I'm just going to change it to random. Random. Oh wait, no, I'm just gonna make a laughing sound effect. And I know a lot of places with sound effects. It's this place, Partners in Rhyme, I think. I think that's the one. I don't remember it. I have no idea what that is. Okay, never mind. That is just like a random thing that it's like I guess it's just like a virus. Sorry, I need to do this again. Okay. Partners in Rhyme is the one. Yep, this is one. Okay. So, bites, kisses, breathing. This is like everything here. Laughing mice? You can do anything, actually. Well, let's do a snore, maybe. See? So all you have to do, it's on my desktop. And all you should do is go type in sound, and there should be, well, this is for Windows 7 and Windows Vista, I think. There should be a thing called change sound system. System sounds right here. And I don't know what that is. Okay. So now all you do is scroll down until you find Windows Logon right here. Click it, browse, go to where you saved it, click on the file and test it. It works. Press OK. And now the next time you log in, it will do that. It will snore. So, thanks for watching.